In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage saved places in the Uber Eats app. This short guide ensures that your delivery addresses are always up to date and relevant, particularly if you've recently moved or just want to clean out old locations. Let's dive right into it. To begin, open your browser and head over to the Uber Eats website. Once there, log in with your credentials to access your profile. If you are on a mobile device and prefer the app, make sure it's updated to the latest version for a seamless experience. On the website, you'll be greeted by the familiar interface where you can see your past orders, favorites, and most importantly, your saved places. This is where we need to make some changes today. After logging in, look for the landmark icon. It's usually represented by a small pin similar to those found on digital maps and is strategically placed on the menu bar or in your profile section. Clicking on this icon will open your list of saved places. In this section, you'll find all the addresses you've previously entered into the app, ranging from your home, work, or any other location you've saved for speedy ordering. Now, if you need to add a new place, there's an option right there that says Add New Place. Click on it and a form will appear. You'll want to fill this out with the new address details. Do take a moment to ensure that all entered information is correct: street name, number, zip code, and consider giving it a distinct name like home or office for easier identification later. This step is crucial as it impacts how quickly and accurately your deliveries reach you. Once you've double-checked all details, go ahead and click the Save button. It's important to ensure all details are correctly entered before you save to avoid any mix-ups with your orders. Saving will update the list to include the new location, and you'll see it reflected immediately within your saved places. With the new address added, it's time to tidy up the list by removing any addresses you no longer use. Scroll through the list of your saved places to identify which one you'd like to delete. Click on the old address you wish to remove, and there should be an option to delete it. Confirm your decision, and it will disappear from your saved list. By following these steps, you'll keep your Uber Eats profile organized and up to date, making it easier and faster for future orders to reach you without a hitch. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for more ease of use tips for all your favorite apps.